I mean shoot तो बहुत later हुआ because we prepped for some time before the shoot and like I had already known Anurita and Divya separately, so I started making meetings where I bring them both together at one place. So we started hanging out a lot at the different coffee shops. बस randomly बैठ के अपने कुछ कहानियाँ बात करते थे. Used to just make fun, just to become like a family.
Comfortable only.
Exactly. So that made very easy when we went on a shoot. On first day, we already were very comfortable with each other, pushing each other. So I think it was a very nice experience there.
I was little awkward on the first day, to be very honest. थोड़ा डर लग रहा था, as I've said before, that I had never done this before, and I was camera conscious. I am so happy वो कैमरे पे दिखा नहीं है, but I was conscious, feeling love for her, because क्योंकि शूट के पहले मैंने सोचा मैं तो कर लूँगी big deal, but जब actually शूट होने लगा था कि इसको देख के मुझे प्यार दिखाना है, so it was little awkward for me, but फिर मजा आया करके. But उसके बाद once it was the ice broke, then it was fine, then मजा आया.
So Rosanna, again it was a very beautiful experience, and Rosanna के just before it मैंने एक play करा था called Seduction, तो उसमें बहुत टाइप का प्यार था. So I think I was coming from that space where I had already explored some varieties of love, and then Rosanna turned out to be the most subtle and the most beautiful of all. So and we had a lot of workshops, like one-on-one also, along with Anurita also. So that was a lot of fun, and I think because we had them, finally जब हम लोग shoot करने आए, for me I felt it was very organic and it just came. And he's a very nice director. He's not the one, he'll not roam around with a stick. He'll come, he'll tell you his bit, and then he gives you that space to just come and do your bit. So which is beautiful. बहुत चाय पिलाई मुझे और बहुत खाना खिलाया because we had these few scenes where we had to eat, and so then I had to eat a lot of food.
Like I remember, I think I was uncomfortable in certain shots. You remember that?
Yeah.
Lying on the back,
Correct,
and so
correct.
it was so nice. अच्छा comfort था. So I told him that I won't be able to do it, and they changed it. So that's how you work. So it was a very beautiful experience working.
So आप दोनों अपने अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में बताइए.
Okay, so you're talking about, of course, the movie character. So I play this girl. I don't want to tell too much about her because there is some bit of it which you should find out at the end of the film. So but हाँ ये लड़की है, she's trapped and it has been her own choice. उसने choose करा है life में not to talk about her situation, and उसकी वजह से the space that she is in right now. So and it can be termed as anything, but it can be some sort of depression, it can be, so all of us have various ways of taking out our sadness also. So in this film you explore what is her way of how she is going through each and every day by day, what is her way of coping through the situation that she has landed herself into.
मैं अपने ज़्यादा नहीं बता सकती, आपको देखना पड़ेगा. मैं illusion हूँ फिल्म में. You have to watch the film. But as I said, beautiful illusion. Who you can dream about and you can just dream about.
आपके लिए कितना चैलेंजिंग था एक विजन को रियलिटी में लाना?
Challenge, I think the biggest challenge in the film was to keep it as subtle as possible without imposing any of my own choices, any of my own feelings towards this character. They have to be what they are on their own. So that was the biggest challenge which we tried to overcome during the rehearsals and workshop, to let both of these beautiful actors bring their own life into these characters.
He's so nice, no? He's telling us beautiful actors, so nice.
So they are wonderful people, and I knew that they can bring their own life into these characters. So that was the biggest challenge, to let them feel more and more comfortable with the script, let them become part of the script. So I think that was the biggest challenge. Yeah,
last
that's
By the time shoot खत्म हुई, it was pretty depressing for me after the shoot because you know prepare करते करते you are meeting so often and you've been spending so much of time and वो खत्म होने के बाद it just अरे खत्म हो गया you know.
एक्चुअली जो फिल्म हमने शूट की और जो फिल्म बन के आई, it is so beautiful. मतलब I did not think that it is gonna come out so beautiful. इतने there are some shots मतलब they are like dream. हमारी cinematographer पूजा, really thanks to her also because she captured his vision perfectly, which was fantastic. So
लास्टली ऑडियंस के लिए क्या कहना चाहिए?
So it's releasing on the 15th. आज हमारा teaser is releasing on Shortcuts channel and please go and check out the teaser. Make sure 15th को आप बैठ के movie देखें, like it, share it with all your friends and family. And it's a very important thing that we want to talk about in the society. The whole idea of making the film was also that there are few things that we don't talk about. So we need to bring out few issues out in the society, talk about them openly, and they need to become a part of our drawing room discussion.
Yeah,
So I think so that is why all the more, like how Anurita had pointed out earlier, we have tried to make it a very clean film so that you can sit with your grandmother also and watch it and you can address the issue.
yeah, like
that we are talking
in
about.
today's day and age, we should respect love or relationships in whatever form. I mean, we should be open about accepting any sort of friendship or love and not judging because इतना stress में हम लोग ऐसे भी रहते हैं और ऊपर से अगर कोई इंसान अपनी individuality के साथ नहीं रह सकता है तो उससे बड़ा depression कुछ नहीं हो सकता उसकी life में. So through this film we are trying to say that you know rather than living a suffocated life which आप जिंदगी भर रोएं, उससे अच्छा you know you just take a choice, stand up for yourself and you know and let everybody else support you, like family should support. That's how it is. And watch it on the 15th.
Yeah.
It's releasing and yeah.
And plus
Shortcuts.
हम एक break the silence hashtag we are coming out with this what shall I call it? This campaign.
Yeah.
So please, we will be seeing our pictures. Follow our page on Facebook and Insta, and please take your picture with your friend alone, and because we want this message to go out in the society that everybody, irrespective, a man, a woman, working, a housewife, a student, everybody, whatever space they are in, they should break the silence, come out, have a talk, and not suffer. So break the silence. So I've been an actor and मैंने theatre से चालू करा and काफ़ी ads वाड्स करे हैं and Rosanna in particular was a beautiful experience because I think it all starts with the narration and I think Raj के साथ पहले narration में ही the comfort level that I felt, I was like very sure कि हाँ this I want to do it even if for no other reason